Hi guys, it's just a quick video for you guys today about a kind of a new campaign structure that we've been trialing in our agency. So as you know, we're always testing new stuff to see what works within our agency accounts, and then we can like pass it on to you guys. So we have been trying this new structure, which basically uses post IDs, which helps with the social proof on ads. So I'm just going to take you through how we do it, and it's worked really well for us in a number of niches. It's brought the cost per lead down, and and it also helps with your ads not being shut down as much. What I would say is I wouldn't do this straight into a new industry, because if your ads are shut down, it will mean that if one ad goes and you're using that as a post ID, all the ads that are using it as a post ID will go down as well, which can be quite dangerous when triggering ad account bans. So I would only use this on niches where you haven't really had many bans at all, or on ads that have been running for a while that have been fine and haven't gone down. So yeah, so basically how it works, you have one campaign, as you can see here, and in that campaign you usually have about 5 ad sets. One ad set is where you'd create your base ads, which isn't usually switched on, and then in the other 4 ads you'll have quite broad targeting with the post ID of the ads in the base ad set. I'll show you how this works in Facebook in a sec. So just trying to get the thought process behind it first. So as you can see here, we found out that your best lookalikes overlapped with your best interests. Can really nail down the audience and get a bit more targeted, which has helped get better cost per lead as well. But again, you want to make sure it's quite a decent size, so about at least 500,000, above 500,000, I would say. So it's got a bit of longevity in it. And yeah, in the ad set, you'd have your standard 4 ads, which is basically same copy, same headline, different images, same as before. So we just go into our ad account here. So as you can say, this is what it would look like. So you'd have your base ads in here, and then you'd have the same ad in 4 different audiences here. So just go into the base ads quickly. So I've set up these ads. Oh, that's projected. Set up these base ads. Different images, same copy, same headline, as you normally do your ads, kind of thing. And then to get the post ID, you go into edit, and normally this is how I get it. You click on this button here, go to Facebook post with comments. Oh, 1 second. So I haven't brought up the screen share far enough. I'll just show you via this quickly. So this is the, what's it called, the URL that you want to look at, and you want this section here, the 4423. This is the post ID, the last number there. So we'll copy and paste that. So you copy it, go back into your ads, then you would come out of base ads, you would go into your ad set, and you press create ad. Name the ad whatever you want to name it, and always do, you go to create ad here, use existing post. You're going to go to enter post ID, paste it in there, and then submit. Oh, sorry. Change this page. So it has to be on the page that the ad has been published for, then press submit. And it brings it up. and this will really help with getting more social proof, so more likes, more comments, more shares, which should put your ad in a bit more better light with Facebook. And then once you do that, you do it for the other ads, get 4 ads in there, then go and duplicate that ad set into 4 different audiences, and then you can go with that. So it's quite simple. You usually use your best ad. So again, this is a technique you use once you've found one of your better ads. You can try and get some more juice out of it like this. But yeah, so that's a kind of like new little method that we've been trialing, and it's worked very well so far. So it could be good for you guys. Thanks for listening, and yeah, I'll speak to you later.